Today our exercise is 1.3, which is about additive inverse or addition or subtraction of matrices. In this video, we will discuss about additive inverse. Additive inverse of matrices. Let we have a matrix A having entries 2, -2, 4 and 1. In order to find additive inverse of this matrix, we can change all signs of matrix A and it will become -A, which means that minus of this matrix. Now we can multiply this sign of minus into 2, -2, 4 and 1, and it will become -2 +2 -4 and -1. This is called additive inverse of matrix. Now we can check additive inverse of matrices by another example or another question. We have matrix B having entries 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, -2, -1, 3 and 1. It is second question and we have to find additive inverse of this matrix. We can take negative of B, which means additive inverse of B, which is equal to negative of matrix 1 having entries 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, -2, -1, 3 and 1. Now we can change all the signs of entries. +1 becomes -1, +2 becomes -2, +3 becomes -3. Similarly, 0 remains neutral, -1 becomes +1, -2 becomes +2, -1 becomes +1, +3 becomes -3 and +1 becomes -1. This is required additive inverse of matrix B. Now we will go towards another question. Question number 3. As we have an matrix A having entries -1, 2, 2 and 1. Our first question is A means matrix A. Our first question is A plus matrix having entries 1, 1 and 1. Now we have to add. Matrix A plus matrix A into this matrix. Solution is, we can write this is matrix A and matrix A is given which has these entries. Now we can write in place of A matrix A having entries as follows, plus and this matrix. Now we can add these two matrices, -1 plus. In order to addition of matrices, we have to add corresponding entries, as -1 plus -1 have corresponding entry is 1. Similarly, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 and the last one is 1 plus corresponding entry is 1. Now add these matrices. Plus minus becomes 0. 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3. And 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. This is required answer. Now we will take question number 3, which is C plus having matrix -2, 1 and 3. The C matrix having entries 1, -1 and 2. Our question is C plus this matrix. Now we will add C into this matrix. C, as C is given, we can write here entries of C, which are 1, -1 and 2 plus this matrix. Now we will add corresponding entries. 1 having corresponding entry is -2. 1 plus -2. Similarly, -1 having corresponding entry is 1. -1 plus 1. 2 plus 3. Now we will add 1 plus minus 2. Minus plus 0 and 2 plus 3 becomes 5. This is our required answer. Our next question is question number 5, which is 2 into A. 2 into A means 2 is multiplied by A. 2 is multiplied by A. A having entries are these. Now we will multiply 2 by each entry. So it will become 2 into -1, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 2 into 1, which becomes 2 into -2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4, 2 ones are 2. This is our required answer.